Part 1, Structure and Duties of the Army. The Prophet organized his army based on a marching system, with each formation containing between 10 to 1,000 people. The number depended on the total troops engaged in a particular battle. For instance, in the Battle of Badr, the Islamic forces consisted of 313 individuals, divided into two lines. 1. The front line armed with spears and shields. 2. The back line armed with arrows and shields. Each army line was led by someone carrying a flag, and if the flag bearer was killed, someone else would take their place. At that time, the leader of the Islamic army was only one, the Prophet himself. Some viewpoints suggest that the Prophet also used a five-army system to form the ranks of the Muslim forces. 1. Front-line troops. 2. Right-wing troops. 3. Left-wing troops. 4. Central force, where the leader of the army was stationed. 5. Backline troops. For each unit of the 5 army formations, a leader called Sahib would be appointed. Don't forget to follow the next video.